Welcome to this video on data enrichment and manipulation techniques. Today, we'll explore methods to enhance datasets and improve their utility for analysis. Let's get started. This presentation covers 4 key areas: identifying and leveraging public data sources, techniques for appending features and instances, methods for deriving new data features, and using Python for data enrichment. Together, these topics will give you a comprehensive understanding of how to enrich your data for better insights. Public datasets are a treasure trove of information. You can find them on platforms like Kaggle, which hosts over 50,000 datasets on diverse subjects. 538 provides datasets on politics, sports, and economics. The UCI Machine Learning Repository offers over 600 datasets, mainly for scientific and engineering applications. Data.gov hosts US government datasets on topics such as agriculture and climate. World Bank Open Data is a great resource for global economic and development data, while NASDAQ DataLink focuses on financial and economic datasets. These resources are invaluable for enriching your datasets with meaningful context. Next, let's discuss appending features and instances. To append data, first identify an external dataset that complements your original data. Then, match features in both datasets and extract a clean subset of the external data. Merge this subset with your original data, either by adding rows or columns. Keep in mind that appending data can introduce missing values. These occur when features differ between datasets or instances don't align. It's important to handle missing values by either discarding or imputing them. Deriving new features is another powerful way to enrich your data. You can calculate new features by applying transformations to existing ones, such as ratios or logarithms. For instance, you might calculate per capita GDP as GDP divided by population. Similarly, you can convert categorical features into numeric ones or vice versa. An example is transforming education years into a categorical feature like education level. These transformations can reveal new patterns and improve your analysis. Python provides several tools for data enrichment, especially with the pandas library. In this presentation, we show how to use methods like pd, concat to append data frames, def, merge to join datasets based on matching columns, and def, insert to add new columns. These methods streamline the process of appending and deriving features, making your workflow more efficient. To summarize, public data sources are invaluable for enriching datasets. Appending and deriving features can significantly improve data utility. Python's pandas library offers robust tools, including pd, concat, def, merge, and def, insert, for data enrichment. Finally, always handle missing data carefully to ensure clean and reliable results. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.